So in this video we are going to talk about this docking station whose name is Thunderbolt 4 Ultra 280 watt G6 dock. This is made in China and the box looks like this, and the MRP that is written here is 65,000, but I think you can get it in 15,000 INR or maybe 18 or 20 around. Right, so I have already opened it. What is there inside is let me show you. So these are the power related stuff. So this is called as the brick. Right, on this brick this 330 is written. Power cable, this would go in the docking station, and uh, this is the power supply. So what you have to do is you have to put this here and connect it to the power supply, and this portion should go in the docking station. Let's see the docking station now. Power cable has these three things: power 1, 2 and 3. So this constitute the power. Now we have this docking station. Let me show you from all the sides. This button is very useful. I have used this for many days. This button is for you can power on your laptop from this, and you can use this for hibernate, for sleep. So whatever is the functionality of power button, this button will deserve the same. Like you can make it work the same way. Let's see on the right side. Right side we have these three ports. One is the lock port, like if you want to connect it to something, then nobody can take it. It's like a lock system, right? This thing is there in laptops even. This is a USB type C, and the normal USB, both are 10 Gbps. So one each port is there on the right side, and on the other side again we have two USB ports. So total 3 USB ports we saw till now, which are 10 Gbps. And on the back side, basically this side, two wires are coming out of it. So in this there is another port which is 5 Gbps, and this one is again 5 Gbps. So total 5 ports are there which is of type USB. 3 are 10 Gbps and 2 are 5 Gbps. And if I talk about this USB type C, so type C, almost I think one port is here and one at the front, right? Two, and two ports are here. Total 4 USB C type ports are there. And HDMI, there are 3 ports of HDMI. One is this, the old, and you will find the cable easily. And these are the 2 other type of ports that are also HDMI, right? So there are 3 HDMI ports. Now I'll tell you a typical, like a different way how you can connect things. So you don't need a external or maybe an extra C-type cable. This C-type cable is, if you see, there are 2 cables attached. One is this power cord and one is this USB type C. So in old HP laptops, like I had the previous one, these 2 ports are generally together, the power and this USB C type port. So you can put both of them like this. Just disconnect them. You can disconnect and then you can connect one by one. So this way, this docking station provides power from this and normal connection via this C-type cable. But in the latest laptop, this port is not there, right? So you can directly plug this on the port where this symbol is there. Right now, I'll tell you what is peculiar about this. So you just have to unlock it. If you see, this is the lock button and this is the unlock button, and just do like this as per this is telling you. So it took me some time to understand that where is the power cord, right? So if you see, you can open this, but there is no need, right? So 2 things are coming out of it. You can remove this, but there is no need of removing it, right? Even if you are using one cable only, right? In the latest laptop you must be using only this portion. This would be waste, but it's coming like that, right? So what is the typical way of connecting this is, it took me some time to figure this out. So if you see this side, there is a port, right? it does not look like a power port, but it is a power port. So what you have to do is you have to do like this, and then put it inside, right? So when you put it inside, then it would come like this, right? And then you can close this, right? Bring it back and lock it. Right now your this docking station is ready, right, where you have these two coming out, and you can use both based on if your HP laptop or whatever laptop you have, if it has power cable and this, so this can provide power cable plus. Yeah, one port I missed to tell you about, this Cat6 connection as well, right? With Cat6 or Cat7 cable, you can connect with internet from this, right? So this is the HP docking station. There is a manual that comes with this, which shows that the power cable, that how these are connected, right? And this is already put inside this when you get it, right? And I have shown you all of this, that how you can open it and connect it. So hope you like the video. So you can subscribe to the channel and comment also if you like this, and if you have any question, just post below. Thank you so much for watching.